Football Player Association India FPAI na Young Player of the Year 2025 ki award pirakraba Naurem Priyanka Devi bu Imphal International Airport ngasi Kairak Foundation Group na sinduna okre Thoramaduda Kairak Foundation Group ki thomi sing Naurem Priyanka Devi imung manung sing mahakpo takpi tambirakpa oza sing amadi mahakpo nungsibiba tongan mafam kayadagi lakpa miyoi singna mahakpo harau tayamna okay FPAI Young Player of the Year 2025 ki award phangkraba Naurem Priyanka Devi na phongdorakpada ma ki award ase Chhattisgarh da sanakiba 2024-2025 Senior National Game Dubai da sanakiba International Senior Pink Ladies Cup 2025 amadi India Women League IWL Tournament sanarubada FPAI na award ase mangonda pirakhibani haina phongdokki
the award phangirakoje 2024-2025 Senior National Chhattisgarh sanagiba amane aduga Dubai da sanagiba Senior National International participate tawgiruwa Pink Ladies Cup haiba aduga handak IWL haidina India Women League haiba tournament asi sanara matungda aina handaki ahumje sanara participate tawro matungda handaki Young Player of the Year haiba award ase phangirakkane yamna nungayo boy sumaina Kairak Foundation aigidamakta support tawbiduna amadi aibu henena sumaina motivation tawbiba sigidamakta haningai leite thagachari amadi Kairak Foundation gi tawbiman kaidongno kawjaroi lakpi ahal lamban amadi player sing chu thagapa phongdokchari player akoibu sumaina support tawbiduna malemda saktakti bagidamakta haningai leite thagachari thank you handaki Young Player of the Year award ase phangmuje pibje FI haibdi Football Player Association India haiba award ase association na piwo